All right, so in the world of chronic pain, there's been a lot of talk lately about the nervous system and nociplastic pain, but it's not that your brain is misfiring, it's misinterpreting. So when the body sends messages to the brain interprets them to determine their meaning and how to react. So in cases of chronic pain, it's like the brain stops speaking the same language as the body. The messages are lost in translation in a sense. So the brain must decide to protect you just in case, using pain as the alarm and tensing up muscles and ramping up inflammation to protect and heal a potential injury. So if you really want to regulate that fight or flight response, the key is to retrain the brain's sensory processing ability, teaching the brain to speak the same language as the body. I'm Dr. Alyssa. If you like this content, follow me for more and check out my free trainings in my bio.